Hello everyone. In this part I'm going to show you how to create a location map for your research simply. First I want to show you, for example, this is one sample of location map of the study area that before I created. Then step by step I will show you how to create this kind of layout. Let's open GIS. First, what you need to add all layers that you would like to be appeared. Of course, based on your research and your study area and so on and so on. So what you like to be appear in the map, and based on are you going to do it to create it for thesis, for research paper, and for a report, company report. Then, okay, when you added all layers, so you see for the first time when you open the GIS, you have here a layers, and you have a data frame which already exists in the first one. But to create a map to be appear like here from the whole geographic location to the specific location, so you need to have a different map framework. So for this reason I added different uh, data frame, so easily you can add here in the insert menu how many data frame you would like to be. Then after that, as always, you have to change the data view to layout view here. Then, as you see here, I have more than one data frame, and let me select these data frames, and okay, as you see, I have 3 data frames. Okay, then you have to figure out about your study area and the style and the shape of your boundary, and what you like to be in a portrait shape and to be in the landscape shape. So you have to specify the page, then you export in the same style. Then what we are going to do now, so I would like to be in the portrait view, then I will try to do like this, and okay, let's make a zoom in a bit. Then this is what I would like to be appear, and let's be the data frame here, and also this data frame, yeah, like this. Okay, so here you can deactivate the layer that you don't want in the first data frame or layered frame. Then what I would like to have it is the study area boundary, and also I would like to see the dim data of my study area, and also I created a hill shade which is in the layer behind the dim data, and I made the transparency. Here I made the property you can change. In the display I put in the transparency 30%, just to be appearance. And also you have option in the table of content here in this list by drawing order to change the order of the layer that you have. And then I will activate the wells, which I have it here. I activate also the stream, and I have a river here also, and I think that's all. I don't want to make it much more complex, so let's specify. Okay, for now, the first data frame, it looks nice and looks ready. Then what you do here in the both data frame, so just activate it here, yeah, and you can activate and add what data you like. For example, I like to have the Iraq border, which is here, and sorry, yeah. So the style up to you, uh, how you like to arrange it, not a matter, like this. Okay. Now I activated this one, so maybe it will be enough, or maybe you can add your study area here also, but it be more preferable for me to do like this, to add some uh, boundaries like administration boundary or governance, and I will activate here, put this one, plus I would like to show my study area here. Let me find it where I save it. Mm, yeah, yeah, here. I Let's change just to be here. Yeah, here I have my study area like this. Okay, now more or less we are ready to try to have a grid and put the legend scale north direction and the coordinates and so on. And let me activate, and then yeah, like this, and also like this. Yes, exactly. Okay, so here you have option to activate again, and also to go to the property. Yes, I want to see the geographic coordinate here around the first data frame. Okay, just you get a new window, just data frame property, and go to new grid from the grid tab, and here you have some options. For example, graticles and measure grid, reference grid, so you can read about later. And here you would like to have some intervals, for example 10 minutes, and also you can specify much more in detail, but for now we would like to see what's going on. Okay, so you see now the longitude and latitude we have received with their values and tick marks here. Probably looks fine, which is 10 minute interval, but yet we can edit. Just go back to the data frame properties and check the first grid we did and go to the property. We don't want to see the grid lines. Okay, and also as you see here we have the labels for the value of the latitude in the horizontal direction. I want to see parallel to the uh, grid. So for this reason I change the label orientation here just by activate the right and left side, because the top one and the bottom one looks nice. And let's change the font size, and of course label style will be degree minute second. If you want to change this one, you have to specify when you are making the grid one. Okay, looks nice. Then still this data frame is active, and you can go for adding north arrow, whatever you have, many styles, whatever you like. Simply we can add this one here, and also we can go for scale bar. Here also we have many options. Just you can put where you like, just right click, and you can edit the properties. For example, how many parts you want to appear here. For example, I would like to see 2 by 2 the number of the divisions, which is major and minor divisions. And here I would like to see the units in kilometer, and just put km abbreviation. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, this is nice. And also we can go for legend. For example, we have stream, we have wells, and we have dim data. We have put river here. We can add here by clicking these kind of buttons. I have dim data, I have the basin boundary, and the river, stream, and wells. So here I don't want to forget, you can increase in how many columns you want to arrange. That will be fine, and you can check the border and property, and later also you can go for editing. Okay, the legend also is good for now. And just what I want to see here, to like training wells, and directly the name, let's change it. And here stream, it's okay, the name of the stream. And also here I want to just say lesser dab, or I can say, I can write it here, river, and this one is Bashtaba basin, and the value of dim we have, I can change to DEM, and just you can say in meter or whatever. And also you have several options. For example, if you like to put some places to be familiar with, locations which is familiar for the people who want to see on the map, you have options. If you have already existing layers, for example, in my case, I have existing data. Let me show you. They have a major road here, which is I do not prefer, but at least you can check. For example, I have one places here, and I have one place here, and so on. You can go. If you have the exact location as a shapefile, you can add as a layer. Okay, I'm going to remove this one, and simply I can make a circle or rectangle here in the drawing toolbar if you cannot see the drawing toolbar, and you can here also activate it. Right click and you place here in the top uh, side and go for rectangle, and I want to see here because this is a very small, and to see as a black one. Yeah, oh, sorry, we have to filter as a black. Okay, now I want to write as a text file here, sorry, as a text, name it after, let's say, the sub district. Then you can right click to change the font size to be a bit bigger, and let's do like this. And easily we can name the river also, and here I can make a copy and just by Ctrl C, Ctrl V, or by right click, whatever, I can edit to lesser zap, and I can here you have option to change the angle because maybe 45°. Yeah, looks nice for me to put here. Or you can go to right click if you have the attribute table, if you have the name, sorry, just attribute tables not appearing. Yes, yeah, if you have already the name, you can go here by clicking label the future. I did not put the name. Okay, then we can go for the other data frame. For example, here I would like to change the color. Yes, and also to be appear like this, or let's say white green. Yes, and to label this also, this is the Iraq boundary. So just because in the attribute table, as you see, I have the name. I already added a name. We can check the label here, just tick it, and you see here, and we go for label tab. Just here the label is active, and we have option to increase the font size. Yeah, that's it. And up to you. If you do not, we cannot forget, so up to you. You can add the north arrow, and whatever you like, and we can add the text here. For example, if you want to write the international boundaries for countries, just yeah, just increasing the font size. For example here, and also I would like to get a copy here. Double click, I can write easily. Okay, and then we can go for the last, just activate the last one, which is here, and also just open the activate table. I added their names, and we can activate the label, and the labels appear. And let's go to increase the font size here. Also, it would be nice to see here, it's too big. Let's say having, yeah, like now it looks fine. Also, I would like to have a legend here. Yes, we have the basin, and we have um, the governorates. Just by finishing, I can get it here. This is the basin. You can write like this. And also here, I have this sub-basin, and this one. Yes, and we are close to finalize. Then the map is ready. If you like to put the geographic location coordinates, I mean, you can easily click it, right click, go to property, and grid, do the same steps that I did for the first data frame, or click here, right, and property, and go to grid again. And also, if you like to see, like, to have some arrow to draw their attention that you delivered this map here, and so on. This one was also easy. And yeah, by drawing tool here, you can draw a line. You have options. For example, we can just zoom in a bit to have exact location, and also zoom in here. double click and just draw the second line, which is for the right corner, like this. Okay, and some researchers, they like to have the same for both here, so it's also not a big deal. We can just put like this and draw the second one to here, which is a bit uh, I don't prefer, so you can just draw an arrow here by drawing a rectangle. So I'm going to delete this one and also delete this one. And I'm going to draw a rectangle here, tiny one, yeah, and go to property, test. Okay, and we can make it smaller, and then we can do the the triangle head by using polygon. This is the easy option that I want to show you to not make it complex for you, like this. Yes, by drawing this and go for properties again and changing the color and so on. So we are about to finalize the map. Yes. Okay, as you see here, we have the bigger area, and we are more specified or close to the small study area in the exact place what we added here. Okay, so if you want to add the title also, you can go for text and write location map, which is not the case. Usually they write usually they write on the in the caption, in the figure caption, location map, and I would like to increase the font size to, yeah. Okay, we are about uh, finish everything. We can make a check. Either we put the scale, legend, north arrow, and the directions, coordinates, and whatever. So if you like to see and export as an image, just we can go for file. Then under the file, you can go to export map. And then I will check if I'm in the right place. Then I will map. Okay, study area, or let's say Bashtapa. Here you can change the resolution. Uh, so this is, yes. Now we are ready, and here also you can change the extension, the file type. Okay, now we're close to finish this session. Yeah, as you see here, we prepared a very nice location map, and it's a very simple one. If you have any question, just comment below. I will try to help you. Okay, we have done. Thank you for watching.